welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make Vietnamese food. We're going to be traveling into Vietnam with food. Take three. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be learning to make Vietnamese food in a Vietnamese restaurant. The Vietnamese chef is going to show us how to make Vietnamese food. I think I've said Vietnamese like 10 times, but
I think
yes.
The chef doesn't speak English, so I'll be doing this voiceover to guide you guys through the cooking class. First things first, the fresh rolls. You have to take a rice paper and then you spray it with water to soften it. You can use prawns to make it, or you can use chicken to make it, but ideally for this class, we're going to use prawns to make the fresh rolls. So you take some lettuce, put some lettuce on the rice paper. You take mint leaves and coriander. Put some mint leaf and coriander as well. And then these are pickles. You take some of the pickles and you put them in as well. And then you can decide to put your prawns inside, but for aesthetics, you put them behind the lettuce so that by the time you roll them, you can see it from the transparent rice paper. Now after putting the prawns, you roll. And here we have it. Yes, the fresh rolls. So next you cut them up into smaller pieces, smaller bites, so that you can take one in one bite.
I'm gonna try to replicate what I just saw.
So now moving on to the chicken spring rolls. So here we have glass noodles, we have dried black fungus mushroom, yeah, we have sweet potato, minced chicken, the red sweet potato, it looks orangey. And so now you chop everything and for the seasoning, we have salt, we have mushroom powder, we have sugar and pepper to make for the seasoning, to put in the minced chicken and all the mixture when you mix everything together. And then you chop some basil and put in the mixture. And then you mix everything together with your hand, preferably. I don't know. I'm not sure I can't remember what this is called, but I think it's a very thin pastry roll, very thin one. Or you can use rice paper as well. And then you put your fillings in them. Watch carefully how it's rolled. Next, you fry it in hot oil. Preferably, it's better to deep fry because it's faster to deep fry.